You read it. Go ahead.
You were doing a good
Debbie,
job.
doll, I miss you. Debbie, I hope
So we just did
you, what does this say? You
are.
are
That's right. Having.
Good.
Ian, say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Having no. It's
Say hi, Mom.
You are having. Hi, Eric. Right when you find work.
Wow.
Oh, I got your email today. Very funny. Is this just sound or is this picture?
It's both.
At
Having fun.
having
Fun.
At, she said at.
Good, you said at. That's a big word. What's that word? Ooh.
school.
Good.
How are you,
Good job.
Very good.
Daddy?
Yes.
Is are doing
Good job, Papa.
good.
Good.
Here, look at the camera real quick and tell Daddy thanks for sending you a letter, and then you can read the
Thank
rest.
you for sending me a letter.
Okay, finish.